So there was a question on the community about searching in Jira based on an insight field. Now, in case you don't know already, Insight is now also on cloud. Of course, it has not all the features. The capabilities are right now limited, but you do have an option to use the Insight on cloud. You can basically create a field and you can link it to your Jira service desk project by adding it to the relevant screen, so that when customers are raising a request, they can also select and specify the configuration item which is causing the problem. Let us say if they raise a ticket about the printer not working or the server is on fire, they can actually select the actual asset. Now the question is about how to search based on those fields. If you try to basically find the field, if you basically type a JQL like asset is equal to something in your issue navigator, it will not work. It will not retrieve the issues, and the reason is that for searching based on the insight field, you have to basically use a very specific format. Now, what you can do, you can first go to your Jira instance, and you can then basically search for the issue. So basically try to retrieve the issue using a REST API. So let us say you are using, let us say you have a field, the insight field on a specific issue where that insight field is there. Just type in this URL. Just append this URL like REST API 3 issue, and then type in your issue key, the actual issue key. And then you will of course get a response in your browser. And in that response, look for the custom field, which is this one, the one that comes from Insight. So that custom field will have, of course, a custom field ID, and it will have something like this, like app key, origin ID, serialized origin, and a value. So basically, to search based on the value in the insight field, you have to use this particular thing that is returned from the REST API. And in your JQL, just type in host, whatever name of the field is equal to this value, and it will then, of course, you have to first let us say if you're talking about a specific issue where you know that you have a specific asset selected, or maybe you can go to the insight schema and you can basically try to find this ID. But once you know what you're looking for, you can use it in your JQL. It is possible. It is not very obvious how to do it, but I did talk about it. I did respond to this particular question, and I thought I'll also make a video on this topic because people are now using, they have started to use Insight on cloud, although it has limited features, but it works. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.